Greetings everyone. We are genuinely grateful to God for yet another blessed day and for the opportunity to present another video for our channel. We are presently implementing some modifications in this bathroom for one of our esteemed clients. Kindly take a moment to observe the issue at hand and see how we are planning to resolve it, Daniel.
Greetings everyone. The hydro valve was removed here due to the fact that the flush tank does not fit properly. The wall must be broken to accommodate it, as it simply does not fit. So here's a helpful suggestion for you. You create an internal sleeve here, allowing you to extend the pipe by 5 centimeters. In this case, I am able to extend it by 5 centimeters, which is precisely what I require, now reaching 33 on the axis.
How much was it measuring?
Understood? So the absolute minimum I require here is 30. Therefore, it's somewhere between 30 and 33 for me. However, this internal sleeve has already resolved my issue. I don't need to do a significant amount of breaking or digging. I successfully managed to resolve the issue, and the client's customer service is truly impeccable.
And you don't need to make many joints there, right?
No, you are not required to create a multitude of joints, nor do you need to pass more. If you establish a connection, you should construct the internal sleeve. Today I am going to demonstrate the internal sleeve, but ensure you construct the internal sleeve so there is no issue when the water flows downward. Observe, it flows downward and downward. Alright everyone, so that concludes it, folks.
Bless you.
God bless. See you in the next video.
Alright everyone, let's commence this particular video at this specific moment. Just a brief reminder, today we shall conclude this video with the current date. We are presently on February 21st, 2024. Alright everyone, that is everything. God bless you all.